Jungle.
So this is the 3-piece 3/8 drive magnetic spark plug socket set by OEM Tools, item number 22891. I originally had my eye on the gear wrench 5-piece magnetic swivel spark plug socket set for $61, but the set only comes with 3 5/8 sockets and 2 9/16 sockets, which are the most common sizes, but the fact you can't remove the swivel extension means you have to stick with the length provided, instead of customizing your set of extensions to fit specific applications. So for right now, I went with the OEM Tools spark plug socket set for $18 shipped. And the 3-piece set includes the 9/16, 5/8, and 13/16 sockets. These sockets feature a knurling ring used for best finger gripping position and a 13/16 or 20mm hex shank drive-in that can be used with a wrench for low profile applications. Unlike regular spark plug sockets with the rubber insert that can fall out or loosen over time, these spark plug sockets use a magnetic insert that won't wear out or be damaged by oil. It's also important to note that these sockets are a little longer than your average spark plug sockets, and even though the magnet is strong, it's not difficult to remove the spark plug from the socket, and you'll also never have to deal with leaving the rubber insert down in the spark plug well.